Hi guys, it's Ryan from Popimedia and I'm here today to talk about custom and lookalike audiences from Facebook. So what are custom audiences? So what you can do is take your real world offline data and start targeting people within Facebook. So let's take an example. Let's say you're a bank, you've got a customer base of 1 million people. What we do is we take those 1 million email addresses or mobile numbers, we upload them into Facebook. Facebook runs a search to see which of those users we can target. So let's say it returns a set of 600,000 people. We can now run an ad campaign or communication targeting those people. So let's say we want to increase our fan base. We would say, hey, come join us on our fan base for the latest product news. Let's take it a step further. Let's say we've got, we want to run a campaign to move our gold card holders up to platinum. So what we do in the real world offline is we segment our database and let's say we get a base of 100,000 gold card holders. We then take that base, upload it into Facebook. Facebook runs its search and let's say it returns that 60,000 of these people are found on Facebook. We can now start to further target those people. So let's say we want to target only females. Of those 60,000 people, we can now target all the females and we can say, hey guys, we're running a campaign, you can now upgrade from gold to platinum, and these are all the added values that you get by doing that. Very, very powerful tool. But what Facebook have done is they've taken it even a step further with lookalike audiences. So what lookalike audiences allows you to do is reverse engineer a base. So let's give you an example. Let's say you're Kalahari.net and you've just sold 10,000 of these pens. The problem is you've got another 10,000 in the warehouse and you can't find anyone to sell them to. So what you do is you take those 10,000 email addresses, you upload them into Facebook. Facebook then runs a match to see which of those people are in Facebook. So let's say it returns 6,000 users. What it then does is it profiles those users and it says what are these users like, what brands do they like, where are they based, how old are they male or female, and it reverse engineers from its existing data a bigger set of people for you to target. So let's say that it finds, out of those 6,000, it finds 100,000 completely new people on Facebook that you can now start to target. So then what you do is you'd run an ad campaign saying buy this pen, direct them to either your fan page or your website, and the likelihood of those converting is much, much higher. What does it cost? Well, it doesn't cost anything more than a standard ad campaign that you run on Facebook, which is amazing. Some of the issues that we get from clients are, what about privacy? Why should I give my data to Facebook? Firstly, as you upload it to Facebook, they hash the data, which means they basically run it through an algorithm that they never see the data. And secondly, you never get to know exactly who is on Facebook. So it all works with an audience that you can then further target with Facebook's standard tool. So that's custom audiences and lookalike audiences from Facebook. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.